Alright guys, we're Plainville Kicks.
Alright, so as you can see, you don't have to get taxed at every event. Ski! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks.
Lyrics and home runs, I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burn it through paint bags if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
What's good, y'all? So today I'm headed over to the Soul Factory, which is a sneaker event at the Basketball Hall of Fame. And the common stipulation with all these different sneaker events is that you got to bring a lot of money with you that they be taxing. And that's not always the case. So I'm going to show y'all how to not get taxed when it comes to buying sneakers. And yeah, I'm going to just share some tips with y'all along the way. It'll be a good time. Let's get to it. What's the fit for today?
Man, polo down.
Casual.
Reasonable.
What's the fit for today?
Just regular black on black, man. You know, good pricing by your boy Sonny Kicks.
Thanks.
Looking out. You know, right.
Yeah, they fire on feet.
Swear.
So we got the Gohan shirt, Super Saiyan 2 from the One Not Seen, white tee underneath, black jeans, H&M, nothing crazy. Playoff 12s. Got them early. Had to. Yeah. I was trying to go out. I was trying to show out a little bit today. Alright, so right now I'm looking at prices for potential sneakers I want to get. Runner up, of course, we got the Cool Gray 11s. I absolutely need this, so I'm looking at prices right now. That way I know I'm not getting taxed. Next up is honestly like any pair of 4s that I missed out on, like possibly Cool Gray 4s or any other 4 that just look real good. Supreme had dropped some dunks a couple days ago that are mad fire. And how much are they going for? I wanted that Brazil pair the most. Sheesh. I didn't even know these was going for that much. They're going for around $4.59 right now. But if somebody got them in here, I might pay for that, honestly. I'm gonna try to get it as low as possible, but yeah. I really need these. Brazils are the one that got away. I can't stop thinking about Brazil dunks. Yeah, so far that's all I got in mind. I'm gonna just look around and see what else they got. If they don't have any of those, then shoot, we might just buy clothes only if they don't got nothing good in there. But hopefully they do. And yeah, see y'all inside.
What's your best number? I got some other side. I got extra large 2XLs in here. Look at that.
That run to the money.
This is good, cuzzo. There's a whole bunch of other things.
A lot of looking around, like see everybody that got him first and walk around me.
Should I go to that guy right now and say, hey,
See this? Oh yeah, those is clean. I like those.
I've never told a DS.
Which shoes?
See, like, if I hit like something.
What's up? What kind of shoe is this?
Those are Spike Lee big highs.
Oh,
Yeah. You're not going to see another pair of those here today.
that's crazy.
Crazy. Dropped in 2009.
Dang. That's wild.
Yeah. Size, I want to say 13. They're a big boy size.
Looking around for size 12. So.
Size 12s?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're 13. UK 12. Wait.
Yeah, like how we saw like the New Balances. These are mad clean in person. I like these a lot better. Didn't even look like these venues. Yeah, that's why I looked up. 50. I can't wait to go.
That's a used Lightning. Barely.
I got a size 12.
Size 12?
He's somewhere out there. You brought it with you? You brought it?
We have 11 and a half. That will fit a size 12. This right here.
Yo, Mike, you just
This is our 11 and a half.
Bro, chilling. You guy?
You got anything in a size 12? Zebras.
Oh man, Necessity Kicks. YouTube, same thing, Necessity Kicks. We'll tune into videos. Big got so cashed out, but I get posted at like 5. Appreciate y'all.
All right, guys, we're Plainville Kicks. We're recording another video. Shout out to my boy. Always hit me up. Nice meeting him.
Yeah, my
We
boy's
gave him
on the
some
come up.
advice about the camera. Of course, man. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Excuse me. Are you able to negotiate on these a little bit?
Maybe like 370, 365.
I'm gonna do one more lap and I want.
Yeah, and then this is my boy's table, so he'll be back too. He'll be able to give you a better idea.
All right.
He might go lower.
Alright, appreciate it. Oh, thank you.
Real quick, since you're wearing that, my cousin, like, ship that shit to this table. Has some shit just like that. Yeah, he has pants and stuff like that.
That's what I'm looking for. I need
Yeah,
some
bro.
cooler
Like,
looking.
where you say that orange Naruto hat? Yeah. Right there. And he got custom shoes too. Like, it's crazy.
Appreciate it. Large. How much for the lead? 80. 80? It's at 80, right? Yeah. It's fire. This Cosmos fire.
All right, good looks. John Unlimited and Unlimited.Custom 413.
I got 300 cash paying. Am I able to do like the rest of like Zelle? Like,
Yeah, you can do that.
Alright, so right now we just found the Cool Gray 11s, size 11 and a half, 360. So best price here for the Cool Gray.
You know, appreciate it, bro.
You want to shout out your thing for my YouTube?
Yeah, bro. Roddy Souls at RODDIE.SOLES.
He's right here. Whew. I finally got him. Finally, bro. Yeah, alright, so we got Cool Grays, we got a custom hoodie, both fire. I ain't gonna hold you, I'm probably done today, to be honest.
Thank you. Appreciate you, man.
Oh yeah, you gotta stay into the camera because that's part of the video.
Nah, seriously, this is still 190. Can't beat it.
That's negotiated or that was just straight up the price?
Nah, we negotiated that. He had him at 205. So he came down. Not too long. I hit him with 180 at first. He said meet me at 190. He already got good price, so I wasn't going to beat him down for that.
Like trying to lowball it.
Yeah, I wasn't going to try to lowball him. I'm actually going to see them silver toes.
I was asking 200. 200?
What size?
Size 6 for this one and 6.5 for this one. Alright, bro.
These look good for 160. These look way better than the other ones.
Yeah. It was brand new, right?
Yeah.
All right, so as you can see, you don't have to get taxed at every event. All you gotta know is what you're looking for. Ask if they can negotiate on the price a little bit. It's just easy as that. You got 2 pairs of ones. I mean, some cool gray 11s for a nice price. Honestly, cheaper than that's on Goat and StockX. For real, it's possible. I'm telling you. Hit up whatever event coming up. Make you a list. You set. What's good, y'all? So I'm back at the house. It was a really dope event. Got legit exactly what I was looking for, plus more. I know y'all been waiting for me to finally get this shoe, and I finally got them. I had to pay resale on it, of course, but you know, it is what it is. It's the times we in. I'm just happy I got it. I just waste no time opening this up. It just, whoo! You finally got the cool gray 11s, dog. Just. Now, I know how much a lot of y'all wanted to see me do a how to style with these. And of course, there was a good amount that also wanted to see it on feet. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. No more having to worry about it. Cross it off the hit list. That spot back there with the Amama Year Jordan 1s, it's been empty for a while. You can go back to a couple videos ago. It's always empty. I just recently placed there because I didn't know when I was ever gonna get these. It's time. We gotta put them in there. It's time. Thank everybody for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We're on that road to 20K. Comment down below if this video was helpful. Hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe and see you next time.